So for our legs, we're going to use Anthony's pink curing salt number 2. The reason for using the pink curing salt is to prevent botulism, so it's really important for food safety. They say that 1 level teaspoon will cure about 5 pounds of meat. So what you got to do is mix that with a bunch of coarse kosher salt that's not iodized. At key places along the leg, you insert that and inject the liquid brine, and you try to get it especially close to the bone, and that helps prevent spoilage from the inside out. Make sure you really rub it in around all the joints and exposed areas, really just kind of pile it up, mound it up on those open joints. And then take food grade bags and bag up your legs and let them sit in that salt for about 4 weeks, and then you're going to take them out, you're going to dry them, and you're going to hang them.
Make sure your fridge is between 37 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and for the hanging process, you're going to want the humidity between 55 and 65.
If you're going to go about curing your own meat, make sure you do your research, read whole books about it from the experts. I got The Joy of Smoking and Salt Curing. This is a real good book. There's great web resources